DAC Universal Check and Clean. Allow me to show you how to ensure that the DAC Universal always functions perfectly. Firstly, ensure that the instruments have been properly lubricated. To this end, check the oil supply. Select Manual Oil Supply with the left button. Then press the down button and pumping begins. The number on the bottom edge of the display slowly starts counting upwards. If after 60 pumping operations there is still no oil flowing into the chamber, you must contact an authorized dealer. Now check the water supply to the chamber. To do this, go to the Check and Clean menu and select Manual Water Supply. Press the down button to start pumping. Water enters via the base of the chamber. When water enters into the chamber, you can stop the process by pressing the down button again. In addition, you should also check the water channels of the standard and flex lids on a regular basis. First, take the lid extension piece. Attach one end to the lid and the other to the chamber base adapter. Using the left button, select the Check and Clean menu and click on Manual Water Supply via the base adapter. Press the down button to ensure the water is pumped into the adapter. Is water running through all 6 adapters? If so, everything is okay. You can stop the process by pressing the down button again. To empty the water tank, devices with an automatic water supply must first be switched to manual water supply. Now go to Manual Water Supply. The chamber slowly fills up with water when the down button is pressed. Once it is half full, stop the pumping process by pressing the down button again. Next, place the standard lid without instruments into the device. Now simply press the up button briefly to access the manual control menu again. Select the option Empty Chamber here and confirm using the down button. The DAC Universal then closes automatically and the tank is emptied. If either the water tank or chamber is not completely empty, repeat the process until both are completely empty. The water tank can be easily removed for cleaning. For this, grasp the tank by the indentations and pull it straight up out of the device. Then rinse under warm water. Also clean the sieve in the same way. Then rub the tank dry using a cloth. Finally, put the tank and the sieve back into the device. To clean the wastewater filter, first open the filter housing. Important, always wear safety gloves to do this. Remove the filter by turning the filter key counterclockwise. Then rinse it thoroughly under running water. It can now be inserted back in the device and the housing can be closed. Don't forget, the filter must be changed once a month. If a wastewater container is used, this must be emptied regularly and cleaned either every 50 cycles or once per week. To do this, unscrew the lid and remove the condensation tube. The tank can then be emptied and cleaned. The components are then put together again afterwards. It couldn't be any simpler. Now let's turn to the adapters. Make sure they are still securely in place. Should an adapter be loose, simply retighten using the hex driver provided. Take a look at the O-rings. If these are damaged, they should be replaced. This is very easy to do with the dental probe. The new O-rings are now in place. The DAC Universal must be cleaned regularly using a NitroClean tablet. To do this, place the standard lid in the holder. Make sure that no instruments are attached and the chamber is empty. Then place the tablet in the chamber. If the standard lid has not yet been selected, you can do this with the up or down button. Click on Start, press the safety ring, and the cycle starts. Once the cycle is ended, the lid moves halfway out of the chamber. Briefly press the down button to open the lid fully. It can now be removed. The chamber and hoses have now been cleaned. In the final step, clean the chamber, the lid, and the housing using a lint-free cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol. That's it. You're done. Your DAC Universal is now in perfect condition.